the deafening quiet. Loneliness creeps in like an unwanted riot. I search for your face in a sea of regret. Your memory's a ghost that I can't forget. We danced on the edge of a love so fierce. Now I'm left with the songs your absence pierce. You were my symphony, my solemn tune. Now echoes of sorrow fill up this room. Shattered echoes in my mind, fragments of a love we left behind. Broken pieces on the floor, can't find us anymore. Your laughter was once my guiding light. Now it's a whisper in the dead of night. I'll count the tears